Juabco Emergency Management Iron Fire Town of Eureka in set status. Juab County Emergency Management has placed the town of Eureka in set status due to the iron fire. Set status means a wildfire is active in the area and conditions could change. This means you should prepare now so you can leave quickly if the situation worsens. Gather medications, documents, and a go kit. Prepare your family, pets, and vehicle to leave quickly. Monitor your phone, local TV, and radio for updates. If you feel unsafe, you can leave at any time. Juab County Emergency Management has issued an evacuation order for Eureka due to the iron fire. This is a go order. Leave immediately by the designated route. Do not stop to gather belongings. Conditions are life-threatening and changing rapidly. Shelters are open at the LDS Chapel in Alberta. If you cannot leave, call 911. Leave immediately by the designated route. Do not stop to gather belongings. Shelters, LDS Chapel in Alberta. If you cannot leave, call 911.